Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve file inclusion challenge available in DVWA. Difficulty for this challenge is low. So we'll click on the available link. So if we notice in the URL, page equal to file1.php. So in few application, it allows user to specify input that is directly used in the file stream or allow user to upload file on the server. The web application can allow malicious file execution in such scenario. So generally file inclusion attack categorized into two types. One is like local file inclusion, LFI, and another is remote file inclusion, RFI. So if the file chosen to be included in the local on the target machine, then it is called local file inclusion. So basically it will allow attacker to access locally available file. And in case of RFI, it will allow attacker to provide file from other website. So first we will try LFI. So in LFI, we need to retrieve content from the file available locally in the server. So we can manipulate this input value to directory traversal sequence. And we can try to access file like etc host. And if we notice, we are getting the response. Again, instead of host, we can try to retrieve content of passwd. So here we are able to get the data of passwd as well. So this is LFI. So it will allow attacker to see the content of local file. In RFI, it will allow attacker to provide third-party URL or third-party file. So attacker can create a malicious file and it can be provided in this kind of URL. So for example, we can copy this login URL of demo.test file. And if we provide here, we can notice this will load the application login page here. So attacker can customize this page and perform some phishing attack. Apart from this, I have created a cell file. So this is like a malicious file. And if we check the content of this file, it is simple PHP coding, which will allow to execute malicious command in the application server. So this is cell.txt. So we need to upload this file in this particular input field. So for this purpose, we can start our server using this Python command. And then we can access this particular URL. For example, if we try to access this, it will show the available file in this folder. So this is accessible. Now we need to provide this URL in the input field. So we'll copy this entire URL and provide in the vulnerable input field. Page equal to this URL. So basically, this part will upload the malicious file and we are providing CMD parameter and executing this payload. So it should return the result of who am I. So we can notice it is showing result of who am I. We can also use ls command. ls is showing available file and directory. So this is one of the dangerous scenario of RFI attack. So challenge solved successfully. Thank you.